Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. And we're going to start on the 4 hour time frame. Because on the 4 hour time frame, this is where I think that it's clearly a wave A, three waves down for an A, B, C, a B, and now we're up for a wave C. Wave C's normally, don't always, but normally do take out the high of wave A. So I'm expecting it to at least go up to that high. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. I put my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour time frame, but it may be a little premature. I mean, there hasn't even been any engulfing moved out or anything. I could potentially just continue to print bullish candles for now at least. When it finally does, engulf down or something telling you that it really is like a lower high or something telling you that this wave really is over, then that's when you would throw your Fibonacci retracement on there. I would be looking for someplace between a 38 and a 78% pullback. A three-way pullback would be nice. One, two, three waves down, kind of like these previous pullbacks that we've been looking at. One, two, three waves down. That is exactly what I'd be looking for in the future for entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, likely a wave C on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.